One of the best assets, in my opinion, for Gonzaga University is that it offers a 2-year writing program. And it's really unique because you don't see a lot of other schools offer 2 years. Writing is probably the most important thing that you learn to do as an attorney. You'll do it your entire practice. So having 2 years to really perfect the skills and learn the techniques was just invaluable, completely worth your entire legal education.
I really appreciate that Gonzaga requires 2 years of legal research and writing. I know that when I first got here, my writing ability wasn't as strong as I'd liked it to be. And by the time, from when I started to when I finished, I know that my writing had improved by leaps and bounds.
For me, the legal research and writing program has been incredibly beneficial because it's taught me to take a problem that is a real problem that would happen, that I would see out in practice, learn how to research it using these legal search engines that are foreign to most people that have never been a lawyer or come to law school or had this experience, learn how to use those legal search engines, find case law in the applicable jurisdiction that applies to that practical problem, and not only explore and research and obtain knowledge about it, but then be able to write a brief about it and be able to submit and feel comfortable submitting that brief to a court in the end.
Every law school has a legal research and writing program, and they're very fine programs that are out there. As I said, I think what's unique about ours is we require 4 semesters of legal research and writing, where many schools require just the 2 or maybe 3. The hands-on approach that we take with our students, it's very deliberate. And so I think what we are hearing from prospective employers after they interview our students is that our students come very, very well prepared.
Well, I think you realize the importance of a legal research and writing program when the partner at a firm comes up to you and tells you, I need you to write a memo, I need you to write this brief. And then that is the moment where you think to yourself, okay, that was what that whole entire program was for.
When I first started the program, I knew how to write. I mean, I wrote in undergrad. Most everyone does writing in their undergrad years, but learning how to research is incredibly important. And every single legal writing professor here has great knowledge and great expertise on how to get into the research, how to refine your research skills, where you learn things about writing that you would have never learned had you not gone to law school. And having 2 years to learn how to write office memos and other legal documents, all the way up to writing legal briefs and writing appellate briefs to the Supreme Court even, you leave Gonzaga University feeling like you have a competent understanding of how to write. You're not scared to write for a judge or for another attorney, and that was something that really appealed to me as a first-year student. And now that I've gone through the 2-year program, I have to say, looking back, I'm really impressed with my skills. I'm really impressed with the teaching that I learned here, and I'm looking forward to going out into practice to demonstrate the knowledge that I have, having been a Gonzaga University law student.